If you're replacing old appliances, moving, or simply decluttering your home in Austin, hiring a professional appliance removal service can make the process quicker, safer, and more convenient. Knowing what to expect from start to finish will help you prepare, save time, and ensure the removal is stress-free. Scheduling the service. The first step is booking your removal appointment. Most Austin appliance removal companies allow you to schedule online or over the phone, with options for same-day or next-day service. When scheduling, you'll typically provide a list of appliances you need removed, e.g., refrigerators, washers, dryers, ovens. Your location and any access details, such as gate codes or parking restrictions. Preferred date and time for pickup. Some companies offer upfront estimates so you'll have a clear idea of the cost before the crew arrives. Preparing your appliances before the removal team shows up. You may need to prepare your appliances. Unplug electrical cords and secure them to avoid tripping hazards. Disconnect water or gas lines for washers, dishwashers, and gas stoves, or ask if the crew can do it. Empty the appliance of any contents, including food, water, or laundry. Defrost freezers and refrigerators at least 24 hours before removal to prevent leaks. Preparation ensures the team can work efficiently and safely once they arrive. The removal day process. When the crew arrives, they'll usually start by assessing the items, confirming the quote, and explaining the removal plan. The process generally includes protecting your home. Many companies use moving blankets, dollies, and straps to avoid damaging floors, walls, and doorways. Safe lifting and transport. Professionals use proper lifting techniques and equipment to prevent injuries and property damage. Loading the truck. Appliances are carefully loaded, often in a way that maximizes space and minimizes shifting during transport. If your appliances are still functional, some removal companies may donate them to local charities before recycling or disposal. Disposal and recycling. In Austin, responsible appliance disposal is a priority due to environmental regulations and sustainability efforts. Most professional services recycle metal parts and other reusable materials. Properly dispose of hazardous components, such as refrigerants from air conditioners or fridges, in compliance with EPA guidelines. Partner with recycling facilities to ensure materials are processed correctly rather than sent to landfills unnecessarily. Some companies even provide documentation confirming your items were recycled. Costs and payment. The price for appliance removal in Austin can vary based on number and size of items, ease of access, e.g., stairs versus ground floor, distance from the disposal facility. Many companies offer flat-rate pricing for common appliances, while others charge by weight or volume. Payment is typically accepted by card, cash, or mobile payment at the time of service. Benefits of hiring professionals. Choosing professional appliance removal offers several advantages. Time savings. No need to rent a truck or make multiple trips. Safety. Reduces risk of injury from lifting heavy, bulky items. Environmental responsibility. Ensures proper disposal and recycling. Convenience. One call handles everything from pickup to disposal. Final thought. Appliance removal in Austin doesn't have to be stressful. By hiring experienced professionals, you can ensure your unwanted items are removed quickly, safely, and in an eco-friendly manner. From the initial booking to the final disposal, the process is designed to save you time, reduce hassle, and protect the environment. If you're planning a major appliance upgrade or clearing out space, scheduling a professional removal service is one of the smartest moves you can make.